Diretsahang inamin ng award-winning actress na si Snooki Serna na yamabang at lumaki ang ulo niya sa kasagsagan ng kanyang kasikatan sa showbiz. Sa guesting ni Snooki sa Fast Talk with Boy Abunda kamakailan ay natanong siya kung paano siya nabago ng showbiz industry. Diretsahang tanong ni Boy, at the peak, Kukay, and let's just go back a little bit, yamabang ka. Pag-amin ni Snooki, yes. Hay nako, Tito Boy, for a long time, talagang it got into my head. Delusionally, I thought that akala ko para bang I was just fighting for my rights, ako ay isang paid artist, and I was fighting the system. Ngunit sa kabila ng lahat ng kanyang pinagdaanan, feeling thankful and grateful pa rin ang aktres dahil hindi hinayaan ni Lord na tuluyang masira ang kanyang buhay. Isa raw sa realization niya that time, that anytime, he can just take it all away. The oxygen in my lungs, everything around me, it's all temporal, temporary, temporal, so I have nothing to boast about. I'm very, very grateful that after all the things, the crap that I put myself through, it's not anyone's fault. It's my fault. It's my own doing. Wala akong ibang sinisisi kundi ang sarili ko. Buo pa din ako. Somehow, nandito pa rin ako. Tito Boy, I'm still standing. I'm still talking to you, Tito Boy, and it's all in God's good grace. Nagsimula si Snooki sa pagiging child star sa edad na 3. Bumida siya sa pelikulang Wanted, Perfect Mother noong 1970, kung saan nanalo siya ng Best Child Actress Award. At mula noon ay nagtuloy-tuloy na ang kanyang showbiz career at in fairness, makaraan ang ilang dekada ay nananatili pa rin siyang aktibo sa industriya.